Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube description link not working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your YouTube channel and click on content and go on to the video and go on to the description. So let me open on to the YouTube and see that which links are not working. So here you can see that
Hi guys,
let me show you more. So here you can see that I have a link with that is clickable, but let me show you why your link is not clickable. So if you remove https, so let me save this and let me refresh here. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this link is now not clickable because https is missing. So let me copy this first. So if your link is missing this, you simply need to add this, click on save, and then you need to refresh. So once you done that, here you can see that your link is now clickable. So here you can see. So this is a process by which you can fix your YouTube description link not working. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.